Hi, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuh. In previous session, we already seen about the walls, windows, and doors. Okay, and their U value, how to calculate. So this wall U value, windows U value already we have seen. Okay, so I request you that if you have not watched my previous session, so go and watch, and if you learn something from this video, which is the premium video and I upload free of course, so I request you to share to others also so that they can learn something new. Okay, and yes, of course, if you like, then subscribe and share, and if you have any doubt, then comment below, and inshallah I will reply. Okay, so next we will see about the roofs. Here, roof not use, not use, not use. Okay, also here no. So which one? Space G1 retail 01. This is our rooms space. Okay, so very important one thing to know. See here, see the wall which is exposed to the sun, okay, is called wall. Okay, I think you may be confused, and same thing here, the wall which is not exposed to the sun is called partition wall. Okay, partition wall. So remember this one, and the same thing here, the roof which is exposed to the sun is called roof. Okay, and the roof which is not exposed to the sun is called partition ceiling. Okay, so this two things is very important while doing the heat load calculation. Okay, see the wall which is exposed to the sun is called the wall. Okay, and which is not exposed to the sun is called partition wall. Same thing, the roof which is exposed to the sun is called roof. Now what it means here, if I will go in 3D view, okay, and here I am doing the heat load calculation where this is our room 1. Okay, here this is our room 1. We can see on, if I will come on, I am doing the ground floor, so first floor I have to check here. See, this is retail 07, and below this one, this is first floor, and this one is the ground floor. Okay, so here see, I hope this is visible. If not visible, then manage additional setting. Okay, and half tone you can make this more bright. Okay, now it is visible here. Fine. Also you can Revit link. Okay, and this is mechanical plan is set, so remove this one, link. Okay, custom model category custom, and plant. Okay, off. Plant, yes, I already turn off. RAM planting. Same thing if I check in here. Planting. No, it's not going. Maybe something issue. Let me check here. See here, if I tab, then it is showing here generic model, so I have to turn off the generic model. Let me check here. Okay, again mechanical, none, and generic model. Simply this is generic model and turn off. See, now gone. Okay, no issue. Like this. Also here it is not showing now. So what I want to explain here, that this only, see, this portion only, this portion is exposed to the sun directly. Okay, exposed to the sun, so this one only we consider as a roof. Okay, not all this space. Okay, here, because in HAP it is automatically take from floor area directly, it filled here 31.2, right? Yeah, 31.2 the floor area, so automatically roof is taken 31.2, but it is not like that. Okay, this is the reason I explain here, that the roof which is exposed to the sun is called roof only. Okay, and which one is not exposed, that one is called partition ceiling. So this area I will not consider as a roof. Only the area which is exposed, this area is exposed, I will consider as a roof in ground floor retail 01. Okay, so how we will do here? And also one thing, this roof is here, this roof here, this roof is horizontal. Okay, not like inclined, like north south like this, or slope roof. This is not slope roof, this is the flat roof. Okay, horizontal roof. So how I will mention here, this is our space, I will mention type of roof here. Okay, so which one type? Horizontal, and this is serial number 1, so this is serial number 1. I select and horizontal. Okay, see, if I select, this roof gross area is automatically taken 31.2, but all the area is not roof. Okay, the roof is only which is exposed to the sun. So here, this area I have to calculate. So how I will calculate? I will come here, architecture, floor, okay, and peak line, okay, fine. Now select this one, and select this one, okay. Now trim this area and this area, okay. This is the exposed to the sun. What is the area of this one? 4.4 areas, okay, 4.4. remember. Now this I don't want now, so I will delete, okay, fine. What is the area? 4.4 square meter, and this is horizontal, that's it. And what is the roof U value? I have to mention here, okay, roof U, okay, and I have to mention here the roof U value. So let me select. If I will press the tab button here, it is showing floor, and if I will do edit, then thermal resistance here is not mentioned, 0, okay. And if I will edit further, then here resistance is 0, and material detail is not also showing here, okay. So either I can ask to the structure team provide the U value, or we will go the default value, okay. So now I am going to default value. Now I will create the roof, okay. What is project roof? I will mention, okay, and project roof, dark medium 0.6. I am going default value, okay, fine. Project roof, and there is no any skylight. If it is a skylight, so we will treat same like the window. Why? See, if I will do here create, so same window tab is open here, okay. So skylight and window both is same, but in this project there is no any skylight, okay. So I already explained general tab, internal, wall, and now roof and skylights, okay. Next we will see infiltration, floor, and partition, okay. So here I will do save and save, fine. So next we will see infiltration, okay. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.